girls. So as the year is coming to an end, I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk about your mathematical goals, how far you've come in achieving them, and what strategies you used in getting there.
My goal is mathematics practice 5 using tools appropriately. I had a really hard time using the protractor because I would sometimes misplace the protractor and I would get my wrong answer. But after that happened, I have been practicing a lot at home and I've been getting a lot better.
Yeah, I had the same problem. I used different protractor at my home, different protractor at my school, and different protractor at test prep. But I found the protractor that I was most comfortable with, and I practiced with it more and more, and I got better and better with it.
So, boys and girls, great job. I think I love that you clearly know your mathematical goals, and it looks like you've come such a long way in achieving them. Okay, great job.